Papa take.
My son. God
Papa,
bless you.
you call us for a meeting, both of us.
Yes, my sons.
Now we are here. Can you tell us the reason why you call both of us?
Your Gino brother here. He came back from abroad. I want to build house.
That is good news now, Papa. Anybody can build house now.
Not only that, that place will be the Abacha, close to main road. Your Gino brother here want to build a mansion here. Understand? So now why I call you people?
So, Papa, what you are trying to say now is that I should remove my house.
Exactly, my son. You get my point.
No, Papa. If anybody want to build house, let him go back where we still have land and build his house there.
But if anybody have to go back to build house, it's you. After all Abacha house, how many minutes you go take to build another one?
I have to remember I'm your elder brother.
Elder brother going to help. Don't know the money we're talking about.
Come, if you follow me talk like that, I will blow your mouth.
They won't come. All the king if you try it, they will lock you for police station.
Papa, so you the supporter, Abi?
Before Uncle.
Papa, you see this meeting, you no go work. I have to leave this place now.
No problem. If I carry caterpillar come, now that time you go back out.